everyone, it's Jill, and today I'm going to show you the simplest, easiest way to get delicious cinnamon rolls. Actually, they're going to be mini cinnamon rolls out of the oven in no time using pizza crust that you buy at the grocery store. Hey, if you are not a member of Kids Baking Club, we are on a mission to teach the next generation of kids how to bake, cook, and decorate. And we do this by sending a bi-monthly baking kit that has these amazing recipes to teach them all types of different methods. And it comes with the baking tools and baking supplies and decorating fun to go along with it, along with bake-along videos to show them exactly how to do it. So feel free to come join us at kidsbakingclub.com. That little buzzer was my oven telling me that this is ready to go in the oven. So let's get started. The things that you need. You need this roll of pizza. This is found in the refrigerated section of your grocery store. It is the Pillsbury pizza crust, but I'm sure there's other brands that you can use as well. You need a stick of butter, and you need some cinnamon and some sugar, and that's it. Let's go. The first thing we're going to do is unwrap our pizza dough. Make sure you keep it refrigerated until it is time to use. And you just need to press this. Sometimes you need a spoon to press it, and it pops open. And then just unwind it. This is fun for the kids. Now you can make your own pizza dough. I have a pizza dough recipe on our blog, so just go to kidsbakingclub.com and go to our blog and look for pizza dough. And what you're gonna do is just roll it out and then just kind of press it. I have a floured board just because I didn't know how sticky the dough was gonna be. Also depends on what type of weather it is. If it's really warm out, it'll be stickier. Okay. Now I want to make mini cinnamon rolls. So what I'm going to do is just cut down the side here, but still use both sides to do it. Now I'm going to take my butter, and you have to use your hands or use a spatula. I prefer my hands because I know that I can get it nice and done in there. So you're just going to basically coat the entire dough. Take my sugar. I have a half a cup of sugar. Doesn't mean you're going to add all of it. I'm just going to sprinkle in. This is going to be about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now while I'm making this cinnamon sugar, you can add different things to your cinnamon rolls. Like I could add chopped up raisins. I could add up chopped up dried cranberries. I can use chopped up pecans. There's all different types of things that you can put into cinnamon rolls to make them super, super delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon. I love cinnamon. The other thing is you can use pumpkin pie spice instead of cinnamon. That's really delicious as well. Okay, now that we have our cinnamon sugar, we are just going to sprinkle this on. And while this is going on, it's time to turn on our oven, and you want it to be 415 degrees. It's going to be a hot oven so that it bakes really fast and gets that crispiness on the outside and gooey soft in the middle. And okay, the rolling up part is next. As you can see, I added raisins to this one. So what you're gonna do is just very carefully bring it up, fold it over, and then roll. Try to get it as tight as you can. Roll again. Roll, and then bring up the sides and kind of squeeze it in there, okay? And when you have one done, then go ahead and cut the sides. I usually like to do 1 inch apart. Like that. And then you just pick them up and place it in a buttered pan. I used the butter from the leftover and try to get them as close to each other as you can. And there you have cinnamon rolls in 20 minutes. It was 5 to 7 minutes to create and 13 minutes in the oven. And now we're ready to enjoy.